Oh, Mari, what happened to you? You look like you just rolled out of bed.
You're still super sleepy. And it looks like you couldn't find your hairbrush this morning.
I was watching cartoons all night. I didn't want to get up. Now I can barely move.
Chen and I are full of energy. That's because we have a daily routine.
What's that?
A daily routine. That's when you do everything on time. Sleeping, eating, and relaxing.
Want to see how our day goes?
Uh-huh. Just be quiet. I'm still not fully awake.
Every morning we wake up with an alarm. Not too early, but not too late either.
Get up. 起床
Wash our faces with cold water. It really helps us wake up.
Wash face 洗脸
After washing up, we brush our teeth. Cleanliness is important.
Brush teeth 刷牙
Next up, brushing our hair.
Speak for yourself. I prefer natural beauty.
Comb hair 梳头发
Then we always go to the bathroom. That's part of the morning too.
Go to the bathroom 上厕所
And then we get dressed, preferably in clean clothes.
Get dressed 穿衣服
Once we're all ready, it's breakfast time. It gives us energy for the whole day.
Eat breakfast 吃早餐
Then it's off to school. Backpacks on, and we're off.
Go to school 去学校
And you know the rest. At school we learn reading, writing, getting new knowledges.
Study 学习
After classes, we have lunch in the cafeteria. It's important to regain energy.
Eat lunch 吃午饭
Then we go home and rest a little.
Go home 回家
When I get home, we spend time together. Mom, Dad, and me. That's my favorite part of the day.
Play ball with family 和家人一起玩球
In the evening, we have dinner together as a family.
Eat dinner 吃晚饭
Then, it's time for a shower. Getting clean before bed is a must.
Take a shower 洗淋浴
And finally, we go to sleep at the same time every night.
Go to bed 睡觉
Thank you, guys. I think I get it now. If you do things on time, you'll have both energy and a good mood.
That's great. You've got this.
Welcome to the Daily Routine Club.
Go to school 去学校 Get dressed 穿衣服 Study 学习 Eat lunch 吃午饭 Wash face 洗脸 Get up
起床，
Comb hair.
梳头发，
Go to bed.
睡觉，
Take a shower.
洗淋浴，
Eat breakfast.
吃早餐，
Brush teeth.
刷牙，
Eat dinner.
吃晚饭，
Play ball with family. 和家人一起玩球。Go home.
回家，
Go to the bathroom.
上厕所，